国际上紧来看往来英国欧洲城市的高速列车欧洲之星，因为英伦海峡隧道的电力故障全面停驶，嘛造成交通大乱。
Today I'm going to from London, but Eurostar is all day, everything and cancelled.
All the planning for New Year festivities will be cancelled, and we'll still have to see how and when do we get home and how.
Tomorrow I work, and it's shame because I don't know if I have a hotel for tonight, so it's very complicated.
欧洲之星表示，因为英伦海峡隧道内部这送电故障，佮再加上一台载货火车卡伫咧隧道内底，嘛造成规个交通袂顶袂当。旅客是下当免费来改票，也是取消订机。英国的交通部已经派人收收，要查明断电的原因。